Hi, I'm Wendy with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I'm here to show you a few things that I've created that I'm pretty proud of. So I'm with customer service, so you can usually find me there. But back to what we're here for, some of the fun stuff. So one of my favorite things I made is this beautiful table runner. It's my favorite because of the colors. I love red and black. And so I just got a charm pack and it was super easy, and it usually sits on my dining room table. My next thing is one of the very first block of the months that we released, Garden for All Seasons. Now, I love this quilt. It is my quilt. And I backed it with Minky, with a beautiful purple Minky. One of the things I learned with this quilt was that I messed up one of the months. And my block size was smaller than the rest. So I had two blocks that stood out and I was super, super frustrated. So what do you do when you're frustrated? I called Mom, and my mom took some of the spare fabric and she made the block the right size, and then we finished the quilt out. So thanks, Mom, for rescuing me. But another fun fact is I'm grounded from binding. So I'm terrible at binding. It looks like I did it with my feet. I'm just awful. So my mother's also my binder. Again, thanks, Mom. But one of the things you may not know about me is I love 3D printing battle maps for my tabletop gaming community. So here's my latest 3D print, and this is a pirate ship. There's nothing more fun than sitting at a table describing what they're seeing and then bringing it out and saying, here, let me show you. And then you bring out a beautiful pirate ship, which I 3D printed and painted, and they get a visual of something that you're describing and it comes to life. And it's a very magical moment for everyone at the table. So that's a little bit about me. So tell me a little bit about you and include hashtag MSQC show and tell. Thank you so much.